Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the perfectly safe brush from DIY Detail on the body of the car. This one is for the body, not for the wheels. For the wheels there is another type of brush. Obviously you could use it, but why would you? I suppose. But anyway, so apparently it's very soft. It's even softer when it's wet, but we will see. It works with the standard mop handle. So I nicked my wife's Vileda Mops handle. So I'm going to install that one on it and we'll see how it works. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the perfectly safe brush from DIY Detail. It is really soft, the tips of it. It holds a lot of water, and when it's wet, it's even softer. It can really hold a lot of water. All in all, I really liked it, and I'm pretty sure you are going to see me more and more to use this one in the videos, because with this, I don't need to climb on a step ladder to reach to the roof of the car. I don't have to bend to reach the bottom. So all in all, it is considerably faster. What I realized was, and most probably it's a problem with my technique, there are some patterns, some indents here in the front bumper. In this one, I still can see the dirt inside, so I couldn't remove all, but from the top, yes. But as I said, it's most likely something to do with the technique. I need to practice, because other than that, it was cleaning very well. Now, on the bonnet or hood and one of the doors, I used it in 45-degree angle, and then I used an inspection light to have a look if it caused any scratches. And I would lie if I said no, it was absolutely scratchless, because I could spot some very minimum scratches. But it wasn't crazy, not a lot, not deep at all. You can apply these kind of scratches on the car even with a wash mitt, even with a drying towel, with anything. So I would still consider it safe. So as I said, I'm going to use it more and more. What I also would recommend, on the first part of the video when I washed my car, I used only one bucket, and the bucket became so dirty from the dirt from the car that it didn't really feel very safe. So just in case, I've done a final rinse, but as I said, maybe I wouldn't need. It was just my gut feeling that told me to make sure that I rinse again. But the second time I used two separate buckets, both with the rinseless wash, and in the first bucket I dunked in the dirty brush, and in the second one I just applied some clean water with the rinseless. It was enough just to dunk it like 2 or 3 times in the dirty bucket, and then it released the dirt, and even the second bucket became a little bit dirty, but considerably less dirty than if I used only one bucket in total. So all in all, I would recommend the 2 bucket method with this, just to at least to make feel safer. And the second time also my mind was not fixating on a final rinse, so after I washed the car with the brush straight, I just went for the drying phase with the drying towel. So all in all, I can hands on heart recommend. It takes a little bit of practice just to get it into my muscle memory, but other than that, it's really fast. So I can hands on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.